Imagine if you could change your entire reality in just 4 minutes. Sounds impossible? Well, Neville Goddard, one of the most powerful teachers of manifestation, believed otherwise. He revealed a method so effective that those who use it often call it miraculous. Yet most people have never even heard of it. Neville Goddard wasn't just another self-help guru, he was a visionary who taught that imagination is the only reality. He claimed that what you assume to be true in your mind must eventually take shape in the physical world. And here's the shocking part. The reason most people fail to manifest what they desire isn't because it's difficult, it's because they don't know how to do it correctly. In this video, we're going to reveal a simple but incredibly powerful method that can help you manifest anything in just 4 minutes. This technique is based on Neville Goddard's teachings, but with a twist, one that makes it even more effective. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step process you can start using tonight to attract what you want effortlessly. So stay with us until the end, because missing even one step could mean the difference between success and failure. And trust me, once you see how easy this is, you'll wonder why no one ever taught you this before. Welcome to Limitless Living, where we unlock the secrets to a limitless life. If you're ready to transform your reality, hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey. Let's begin. Before we talk about the actual method, we need to understand the core principle behind it. Without this, the technique won't work, no matter how many times you try it. Neville Goddard taught something radical. Imagination is the only reality. He didn't just mean that imagination influences reality, he meant that everything you experience in the physical world is a direct reflection of what you assume to be true in your mind. If you can hold a thought with absolute conviction, the external world has no choice but to shape itself around that thought. This is where most people go wrong. They focus on what they see rather than what they believe. They look at their empty bank account, their unfulfilling job, or their broken relationships and assume that these are fixed realities. But Neville argued that the only thing keeping these circumstances alive is the belief that they are permanent. Change the belief and the world must follow. But here's the secret. It's not enough to think about what you want. You must feel it as though it has already happened. This is the key to manifestation. If you desire wealth, you can't just visualize money. You have to feel the security, the freedom, and the joy of already having it. If you want love, don't wish for it. Feel the warmth, the connection, and the happiness of being deeply loved. Neville often asked his students, would you believe in the reality of your wish if all the signs of the world denied it? This is the real test. Your imagination must become more real to you than your current circumstances. Once you master this, reality has no choice but to rearrange itself to match your assumption. Now that you understand this fundamental truth, let's move on to the exact steps you need to take to manifest anything in just 4 minutes. Before we talk about the deeper aspects of manifestation, let's get straight into the method. This is a simple 5-step process, but don't be fooled by its simplicity. When done correctly, it can transform your reality faster than you think. Step 1. Relaxation. The first step is to quiet your mind. Find a space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down comfortably and take slow, deep breaths. The goal is to enter a state of deep relaxation, because a restless mind blocks manifestation. Neville often spoke about the power of the state akin to sleep, that dreamy, relaxed state between waking and sleeping. This is the gateway to your subconscious mind where all creation happens. Step 2. Define your desire. Clarity is crucial. You must know exactly what you want. Do you want financial freedom, a loving relationship, perfect health? Whatever it is, be specific. Don't just wish for more money or happiness. Define it. How much money? What kind of happiness? The clearer your desire, the stronger its pull on reality. Step 3. Visualization. Now close your eyes and imagine a scene that implies your desire has already come true. If you want wealth, picture yourself checking your bank account and seeing the exact amount you desire. If it's love, imagine holding hands with your partner, feeling their warmth. But this isn't daydreaming, it's living in the experience before it physically appears. Engage all your senses. What do you see? What do you hear? How does it feel? The more real it seems in your mind, the faster it manifests in the physical world. Step 4. Emotional engagement. Here's where most people fail. They visualize, but they don't feel. You must experience the emotions as if your wish is already fulfilled. Feel the joy, the relief, the excitement. Let it sink into your being. Your subconscious responds to feelings, not words. The stronger the emotion, the faster the shift. Step 5. Repetition. Do this daily. 4 minutes is all it takes. The best times are right before sleep or immediately after waking up, when your mind is naturally in a receptive state. The more you repeat this, the more natural it becomes. And once your mind fully accepts it as real, the physical world will align to match it. Now that you understand the method, let's talk about the hidden force that makes it all work. Before we talk about why this method works so quickly, we need to understand the secret force behind it: assumption. This is the true key to manifestation. Without it, even the most vivid visualizations will remain just that, imaginings. But with it, your desires must become reality. Neville Goddard taught that the world doesn't respond to your wishes or hopes, it responds to your assumptions. Whatever you assume to be true, deep within becomes your experience. If you assume wealth, opportunities will appear. If you assume love, the right person will find you. If you assume struggle, obstacles will continue to show up. Here's what makes assumptions so powerful. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between reality and imagination. It only responds to what feels real to you. This is why assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled is the fastest way to make it happen. You don't need to wait until your desire appears in the physical world to feel it. You must feel it now. But this isn't just about what you do for 4 minutes in meditation. The real test happens in your daily life. If you visualize wealth at night but spend the day worrying about money, guess what? You're assuming lack. If you imagine love but walk around doubting yourself, you're assuming loneliness. Your dominant state of mind creates your reality, not just the moments you spend visualizing. So how do you maintain the feeling of the wish fulfilled? You carry it with you. Walk, talk, and think as if your desire is already yours. If you manifested your dream life today, how would you feel? How would you act? What thoughts would you have? Start being that person now, and reality will have no choice but to catch up. Now that you understand the true power of assumption, let's explore how you can apply this method to real-life situations and see results even faster. Before we talk about how you can make this a daily habit, let's look at how people have used this method in real life, and how you can too. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to manifest is aiming for something so big that their mind instantly doubts it. If you've struggled with manifestation before, start small. Neville Goddard often advised his students to begin with something simple, like manifesting a free cup of coffee, an unexpected compliment, or a small amount of money. These small wins build confidence and prove to your mind that assumption truly creates reality. Take, for example, a woman who used Neville's method to manifest her dream job. She was stuck in a position she hated, but instead of focusing on her current reality, she imagined herself already in her ideal job. Every night, she visualized herself sitting at a new desk, hearing coworkers greet her, feeling the excitement of her new role. She didn't beg or wish, she assumed. Within weeks, an unexpected job offer came from a company she hadn't even applied to. Another example is a man who wanted to repair a broken relationship. Instead of dwelling on past arguments, he imagined peaceful, loving conversations with this person. He felt the warmth of their connection as if it were already real. Within days, the other person reached out and their relationship healed effortlessly. These aren't just coincidences, they are proof that when you assume something is true, reality bends to match it. The key is to start with something believable to you. If your mind resists the idea of instantly manifesting $1 million, start with a smaller amount. If you want love but doubt finding the perfect partner, start by manifesting a meaningful conversation. The more you see results, the more trust you'll have in the process. And once you know this works, you'll realize there are no limits to what you can create. Now that you understand how to apply this method, let's talk about what happens when you make it a consistent part of your life. Manifesting your desires doesn't have to be complicated. Neville Goddard's 4-minute method proves that with the right focus, assumption, and feeling, you can reshape your reality faster than you ever imagined. The steps are simple. Relax, define your desire, visualize it vividly, feel the emotions as if it's already yours, and repeat the process daily. Yet it's this simplicity that makes it so powerful. The key is consistency. This isn't a one-time exercise, it's a shift in the way you think and feel. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes, and soon, you won't just be trying to manifest, you'll be living as if your wish is already fulfilled. That's when real change happens. Remember, start small if you need to. Prove to yourself that assumption creates reality by manifesting something simple. Once you see results, you'll have the confidence to manifest anything, no matter how big it seems right now. Trust the process, stay committed, and most importantly, believe. Now we want to hear from you. Have you ever tried Neville Goddard's manifestation techniques? What have you manifested so far? Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear your stories. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to Limitless Living for more powerful insights on manifestation and personal transformation. Your dream life is closer than you think. Keep believing, keep assuming, and watch your reality transform. See you in the next video.